Hi, my name is Dawn Wilson. I'm a pre-K4 tech mentor. I think that I've been able to work with some of my other tech mentor peers and talk about things that we may have concerns or work together to work through situations. For instance, last week when we had to do the Skype meeting, just making sure that my peers and I were all able to Skype in. I think that the role of technology in early childhood is vital. Our children come knowing a lot of things in terms of technology, how to work their parents' phone or a tablet or something, or different things like that. But giving them a chance to also understand that they can learn about the world that they may not be able to see, or taking them somewhere where they may never be able to go through the use of technology is a vital thing, and getting them to be able to learn to explore on their own. Well, what I'm realizing is that they really love to do things on the iPad, and so we're working towards an end project of a book, some type of individual book for them, and so being able to just see what they like and teaching them how to use the camera on the iPads and just getting a view of what they see through that lens has been awesome in terms of just getting to know my students a little better. I would like all, if not a good deal of my students, to be able to develop their own book through the Bookmaker app. That would kind of be their piece to explain and show themselves to the world. Whether they took parts of things that they enjoyed doing, or they took pictures of their own work and created it into a book. So like all of my kids have their own iPads, their pictures on there, so they know that everything that they record will go onto their iPad. And so hopefully we'll be able to go through that maybe and do I could conference with each one of them to create some type of book that they will have to show for the end of the year. So that's my goal. I usually have some type of program, like graduation program. So there may be something that we use to, I don't know, produce some type of video or something for the parents to see it. Right now my coach and I are working on a PD so that we can roll out the drawing pad and the Bookmaker apps to the other people on my grade level. And so I'm excited about that because it would be something great, again, at the end that we would have. I'm a project-based person. I love hands-on, and I feel like we need to do more hands-on and exploration things. I mean, that's what early childhood is about. And so that would give my colleagues also that skill under their belt, that they'd be able to give the children more hands-on activities or more ways to explore, another way to maybe record what they're doing in terms of a theme. Like, now we're entering the healthy meat theme. They may be able to do some type of book at the end that would have the children be able to remember it. It's something they can share with parents, that type of thing. In general, it's definitely heightened my awareness and my views in terms of technology and reaching out to parents. So like I use my class dojo to communicate with my parents all the time, and we shared, like my kids just did a project, so I've been sharing the pictures of all the projects on Class Dojo, video clips of them sharing their projects, and it's something that the parents are able to see right from their phones. So all of my parents have the app, and we are able to communicate that way.